Hello friends and welcome to my chili garlic vegetable fried rice, for which I have 3 cups of overnight rice. I also have 1 big onion. I'm going to chop the onion up for the dish. Let's get rid of the stem first. And then spring to action. Chop it up. Then put it away. Coming on next is garlic. 12 whole cloves of it. And we are going to cut all this garlic up into small little bits. This is a chili garlic vegetable fried rice. So a lot of garlic just makes sense. Let's keep the onions and garlic aside. The vegetables come next, and I have a whole load of them, starting with 140 grams of cabbage. We are now going to chop up this cabbage. Next come 5 strands of long beans that I have cut into manageable lengths. Let's now chop these up as well. Let's keep them aside for later. Next come 10 French beans. We are chopping these up as well. Next, we have 1 medium-sized carrot. Now, I don't have to tell you what we are going to do with it, do I? The carrot is going to wait in the wings as well. A medium-sized potato, diced for the dish. We are going to grind the chili paste now. This chili paste has 3 types of chilies. Firstly, the fresh red chilies. Let's put the fresh chilies into the grinder. 4 red bird's eye chilies. 1½ pieces asam cupping. I'm adding the asam cupping to give a tang to the dish. And lastly, 1 teaspoon chili powder. We'll add a little bit of water to help in the grinding. I'll grind this now. I have 2 pieces of firm tofu here that I'm mashing up lightly. The tofu will masquerade as scrambled egg in this vegetarian dish. Let's start cooking now. I have a wok on medium flame with 6 tablespoons of oil heating in it. We are going to first fry the potato cubes. We will fry these potato cubes until they are done. It's gone 3 minutes, so shall we check the potato to see if it's done? It is, and the color looks just perfect. We'll turn off the stove now and remove these potato cubes from the oil. Turning on the stove again at medium heat. The oil is hot. We are frying the scrambled tofu next. It's been 4 minutes since the tofu has been fried, and it's done now. Let's remove the tofu from the oil. Here are the fried potato and tofu for your viewing pleasure. The stove is on again at a medium flame. We are now going to saute the onion and the garlic. We'll fry them until they turn a little brown. We'll add the carrots first. I'm going to fry the carrots with the chili paste because the carrots take a longer time to cook than the other vegetables. This is the chili paste. It's gone 1 minute. We'll add the chili paste now. We will fry the chili paste until its raw smell disappears. Rinse the chili bowl and add the liquid to the frying ingredients. This will help the carrot cook faster. Add the remaining vegetables after 2.5 minutes of frying. I'm adding the French beans first. Followed by the long beans. We then mix everything together. I'm adding a wee amount of water to help the vegetables cook. The orange and the green colors make this look so attractive. We're going to check if the vegetables are done. Yes, they are. Adding a little salt. As the vegetables are done, we'll add the 1-day-old cold rice. We'll add the rice in 2 batches. Increase the flame to a comfortable high and stir fry the rice together with the vegetables. Add the second batch of rice after a minute and do the same. As you can see, it's easier to do this with 2 spatulas. After a minute or so, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. We will then continue to stir fry for another 1.5 minutes or so. After which we'll add the cabbage to the frying rice. I'm adding the cabbage last because I want it to remain crunchy as much as possible. Add the fried potato and tofu after 1 minute and stir fry for another minute. That's it. Turn off the fire after tasting for salt and we are done. Chili garlic vegetable fried rice. This is a delicious vegetarian fried rice that won't make you miss meat when you have it. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.